I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video we're taking a look at Meguiars Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. I love my van. It is by far the nicest vehicle I have ever owned, but like a lot of cars and trucks and SUVs I see, the bumper and sides use this unpainted black or dark gray plastic trim. And after some time in the sun, this stuff starts to look a little bleached and you get these white streaks that don't look very nice. I was talking about this with my friend Jordan, who restores old Volvos, and he showed me Meguiars Black Plastic Restorer. The stuff looks and smells like sunscreen. You just shake it up, you put a glob of it on a clean cotton cloth, and you rub it into the plastic. And it just looks brand new. There's really no extra steps beyond that, and the restored finish lasts for weeks before showing any signs of dryness again. Not only do I use this on my plastic trim, but it also works great on the vinyl and rubber bits around my windows. And let me also say that even though this is advertised as Black Plastic Restorer, there's no tint or dye involved and it won't stain your hands. It's really like a plastic moisturizer with some UV protection built in. I've been impressed with the results, and if your vehicle has a lot of this raw plastic trim on it, a little wipe with this stuff really makes a big difference. You can pick some up using the Amazon link in the description, and remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.